in the cross of Christ, our salvation and our hope. Let us bow in homage to the Lord of life, who was broken to make us whole. There is no greater love as blessed as this, to lay down one's life for a friend. Let us ever glory in the cross of Christ and the triumph of God's great love. Let us make our journey to the cross of Christ, who surrendered glory and praise, to become a servant of the great and small, that all people may know God's face. Though his birth was divine, he knelt as a slave, to wash common dust from our feet. Let us ever glory in the cross of Christ,